Hi again folks, Jay here on a pretty sunny Friday afternoon where I've just been sent a new toy from James at Lindy. This is a 70m Cat.6 extender. Now, what's this do? This is pretty good because it ticks a lot of boxes for people at a pretty good price point. And the idea is here, we're going to do some BYOD to a Neat device. So this works for all of the Neat devices, right? This kind of connection we're going to set up. In the box, basically, there are two components. It's got a transmitter and it's got a receiver. Now, transmitter, pretty simple, right? All we're going to do is we've connected the power for it. Obviously, we need to power it. That will power the other device as well. We'll see how that works. There is a cable going to the receiver, which is going to go obviously behind the bar or the board. And then ultimately, we've got one single USB-C cable, which is going to go into my laptop. That will provide video, it will provide the BYOD element of a USB, it will provide power 60 watts into the laptop, really nice and simple. So that will go under your desk, and then that is all that will be presented to the desk there. Then on our receiver, pretty simple again, we have the Cat cable coming from the transmitter, that's also powering this, and then we have an HDMI and a USB 2. Now, let's, basically I think we're going to just very crudely plug this into our Neat board here. So I'm going to plug that in. First, I'm going to do my USB-C, which is USB 2. That's going to go into the board, and I'm also going to plug in an HDMI cable. That goes into the board as well. Now, I've set this to work on auto BYOD mode. So basically now, it's not doing anything. It's doing all my Teams calls and everything how I would normally want. This is a Microsoft Teams room after all. But let me hang up that call actually. But as soon as I want to do a BYOD call, I'm going to connect that single USB-C cable from that transmitter. Let's plug that in, and you will see here now my desktop is going to be mirrored over the Cat cable into the board, and it's booted into BYOD mode. And I know that because if I press new meeting here in Zoom, excuse my dirty desktop, you can see the framing there. I can even kind of change those framing options, do my manual zoom and auto framing and things like that on the board. But also look, I can see on here it's selected the Neat microphone and the Neat speakers as well. Sorry, I'm covering that up. So that's all there as well for you as well. If I'm finished my Zoom call, my Google call, whatever it is I want to do on my own laptop, I'm going to disconnect that and it's going to boot back into Microsoft Teams mode. Really simple. You can of course set up manual BYOD mode, which means on the swipe out menu you need to select that on and off, but hey, this is all working automatically. So that's the 70m Cat.6A extender from Lindy. It's got some extra features as well, like a bit of a KVM. It's got a little an extra HDMI which you can switch to and things with the controller, but ultimately we just want single USB-C in, Cat extender to the device, and then going in to do BYOD as well. Really simple. I've also tested this with the new Neat Select offering, Neat Select bar. That works really well, just the two connections going in there, one single connection to the screen. Of course, with our new menu layouts as well, you can define what messaging's on the screen, so single USB-C or the two cables or something like that, and it's all working really well. So again, there's loads and loads of other bits of devices on the market, but this is one that Lindy have just sent to me about an hour ago in the post. Just plugged it in and it worked first time, and really great to see.